The Volkswagen GTI ticks several boxes for the hatchback-loving crowd. It offers a balanced ride, sporty and fun handling, and lots of interior space for passengers and cargo. Plus, despite its performance-oriented nature, the GTI can be used for everyday driving. What's up, guys? In this video I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best tires for VW GTI in the market. Which are the best for you? Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular user use. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Pirelli Curado P7 All-Season Plus. The Pirelli Curado P7 is one of the best touring all-season tires for the VW GTI. This model offers excellent dry and wet traction, is quiet and comfortable on the highway, and offers better fuel economy than most of its rivals. As such, you can count on it to provide fuel savings. Pirelli's internal tests report that this tire has 15% less rolling resistance than competitors. This means that the Curado P7 would require your GTI's engine to output less power to keep rolling at a consistent speed. This, as you might guess, translates into gas savings. Next comes this model's excellent road manners. A computer-optimized tread pattern deflects road noise and absorbs vibrations before they can enter the cabin. Plus, its rugged internal construction also helps this tire isolate the vehicle body from road disturbances. Pros: offers enhanced fuel economy, provides a comfortable and noise-free ride, great handling and traction at speed. Cons: could do with a little more grip on the ice. Number 2. Sumitomo HTR Enhanced WX2. The Sumitomo HTR Enhanced WX2 shows that sometimes in life you get more than what you paid. This affordably priced touring tire might cost less than our top pick, but its performance, durability, and handling can compete with models costing twice as much. Sumitomo has used its proprietary asymmetric compound in this tire's tread. The compound holds excellent all-season capabilities without sacrificing grip and traction in mild wintry conditions, meaning you can rely on this tire to keep you safe on light snow and ice. The duo of aggressive sipes and cross-sectional grooves improves the flow of slush, water, and ice through the tread channels. This keeps hydroplaning at bay and the contact patch dry, enhancing this model's road grip and traction in inclement weather. The coverage is 90,000 miles on T-rated tires, 75,000 miles on H and V-rated models, and drops further to 55,000 miles on W-rated HTR Enhanced WX2. Pros: offers excellent high-speed stability, is quiet and comfortable on the highway, stays useful in light wintry conditions. Cons: below average treadwear warranty on W-rated tires. Number 3. Michelin Premier AS. The Michelin Premier AS is one of the priciest touring tires on the market. Luckily, it has the features to convince people to pay its astronomical asking price. So, if you want the best performance and are willing to pay big bucks for it, consider this model. A silica and sunflower oil tread compound is the first ace up this model's tread, helping the Premier AS stay useful 365 days a year. As such, whether you're driving on dry roads, in the rain, or on thin snow and ice, you wouldn't wish to be driving another tire. The circumferential and lateral grooves duo also helps justify this model's inflated asking price. Most other touring tires you see in the market opt for one of these two channels. Comfort control technology may also have jacked up this model's price, given how it helps this tire offer a plush riding experience. Pros: offers a comfortable and quiet ride, provides excellent traction on wet surfaces, can easily handle mild wintry conditions. Cons: relatively small treadwear warranty. Number 4. Continental Extreme Contact DWS06. The Continental Extreme Contact DWS06 ticks several boxes for enthusiast GTI drivers. These include excellent high-speed stability, short braking distances on dry and wet roads, and more steering feedback than you'd know what to do with. A tread compound featuring silica and plus silane additives has been molded into an asymmetric tread pattern. The result? Even tread wear for a long tread life. Another benefit is improved dry grip and wet traction for reliable year-round performance. Multiple shoulder blocks enhance cornering grip to let you attack bends with a vengeance. A stiff sidewall makes sure that anyone behind the wheel gets an excellent feel of what is going down there on the road. You thus have no complaints about the lack of steering feedback. Pros: provides excellent steering response, above average treadwear warranty for a tire in this class. class. Superb cornering performance and grip. Cons: relatively long braking distances on wet roads. Number 5. Michelin Pilot Sport AS3 Plus. The Pilot Sport AS3 Plus is another exciting UHP all-season tire pick for VW GTI drivers. If you're willing to blow a hole in your pocket for excellent performance, ride quality, and tread life, we see no reason why any other high-performance tire should be on your list. Surprisingly, the Pilot Sport AS3 Plus features the same tread compound silica and sunflower oil as the one you get in the Premier AS. This is extremely good news for those of you who want the refinement levels of an AS tire from an ultra-high performance model. However, apart from the tread compound, everything else about this tire maximizes performance. For example, its performance-oriented tread design enhances this model's lateral grip, giving it the kind of straight-line tracking you usually expect from summer tires. Pros: brilliant high-speed stability, exceptional cornering performance, extended treadwear warranty. Cons: might get loud at high speed. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier.